Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Fusion headlights using an easy method. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a 1/4-inch ratchet, along with Torx bits like T25 and T27, and a 10mm socket. Grab some needle nose pliers, a flathead screwdriver, and crucially, a new headlight bulb. Remember to wear clean gloves when handling the new bulb to avoid transferring oils, which can shorten its lifespan. Make sure your car's lights are off and the old bulb has cooled. Now let's get to the bulb. To make space, turn your steering wheel all the way to the side you're working on. You'll need to remove a few plastic clips and bolts from the fender liner or the top of the bumper. This allows you to gently pull the bumper cover forward just enough to reach behind the headlight assembly. On some Ford Fusion models, you might find a small access panel directly in the wheel well, making this step even simpler. Be careful not to force any plastic components. With access gained, locate the rubber dust cap at the back of the headlight housing and remove it. Now, gently grasp the old bulb and twist it counterclockwise, usually about 1/4 of a turn until it unlocks. Carefully pull the bulb out, then disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab. Take your new bulb, still wearing gloves, and connect it to the harness. Insert the new bulb into the housing, aligning the tabs, and twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. You should feel a distinct click. Almost done. Once the new bulb is locked in, replace the rubber dust cap, making sure it creates a good seal to keep out moisture and debris. Now, carefully push the bumper cover back into its original position, aligning all the clips and bolt holes. Reinstall all the clips and bolts you removed earlier, tightening them snugly. Finally, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. This easy method should have you back on the road with bright, clear headlights in about 30 to 45 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.